Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Steam controller not detected. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and look for Device Manager in your search bar. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into the Mice and Other Pointing Devices tab, or you could also simply go ahead and look for the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click and click on Scan for Hardware Changes, which should go ahead and find a lot of different controllers that you might have. If that is not the case, if you're using a wireless controller, what you can do is simply go ahead and try to plug it in. If that doesn't work, you want to simply press Windows plus R and then exactly write this thing, which is going to be %localappdata. Open the folder, and then you want to look for the folder which says Steam. Open it up and simply go ahead and delete all the folders that are inside of it, which is going to be clearing its cache, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't solve your problem, try restarting your PC and it should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.